Hello everyone, I'm Masoud from Masoud Structural Studio. Part 2: Design concrete structure by Python. In this part, we discuss about write formula in Python script, and then we investigate parameter that must be calculated. As you can see, I provided formula from ACI 318 to this ebook, and you can use it. I would like to mention here that this ebook is offered for free on my Patreon channel, and you just need to become a free member on my Patreon channel. You can see how we write the formulas in this script. We provided text of this code in Patreon channel, and you can download it and use it from Patreon channel. Now we copy this code and paste on text file in Spider Python and run this code. After run this code asks us to enter the parameters needed to calculate the ultimate strength. F'(c) is compressive strength of concrete, and Fy is yield strength of rebar steel, and B is width of beam, and H is height of beam, and D is effective depth, and AS is area of rebar steel that exists in our beam, and MU, that is factored moment that applied in our beam. And this code provides us with the parameters it has calculated. For example, calculate AS mean, minimum of area of rebar steel, and maximum area of rebar steel AS max, and M sub M, MN, that is nominal strength or nominal capacity of this beam, and phi MN, it is, this parameter is design capacity. If phi MN is greater than MU, another hand, capacity of design capacity, moment capacity of design is greater than applied moment. This code print the capacity is sufficient. Thanks for watching.